Welcome to the course on Machine Learning with Python. Here's a brief overview of what we will cover. We'll begin with an introduction to machine learning, exploring its significance. Then, we'll set up the Python environment, installing Python and necessary libraries. Next, we'll focus on data pre-processing, cleaning and organizing data, followed by basic data visualization, learning to plot and graph data. We'll dive into pandas for data manipulation and NumPy for arrays and mathematical functions. Supervised learning basics will cover making predictions with labeled data, while unsupervised learning basics will find patterns in unlabeled data. In model evaluation basics, we'll check model accuracy. We'll build an end-to-end project in building a simple ML project. We'll explore specific algorithms like linear regression for continuous values and logistic regression for binary outcomes. Decision trees will cover simple decision models, and k-nearest neighbors, KNN, will focus on instance-based learning. Support vector machines, SVM, will discuss classification with hyperplanes, and clustering with k-means will group data points. We'll cover principal component analysis, PCA, for dimensionality reduction. You'll learn about scikit-learn, a key ML library, and cross-validation techniques for model validation. Hyperparameter tuning basics will improve model performance. We'll introduce neural networks, TensorFlow, and PyTorch for deep learning. Time series analysis basics will focus on analyzing temporal data, and model deployment basics will guide you on deploying models in production. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of machine learning concepts, tools, and techniques to tackle real-world problems. Let's get started. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights.